everyone. I'm Dr. Prabhu Prasad, Consultant Pulmonary Sleep and Critical Care in Manipal Hospitals, Goa. On the occasion of this World Health Day, the theme of which is universal health coverage, everyone, everywhere. So I urge human health is a human right for them, and they should not die just because they are poor and sick. On the occasion of this, I would just want to tell that breathing a clean air, having a good sleep is one they must should be looking into for keeping their health right. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Shekhar Salkar. I'm cancer surgeon. I am the head of the department at Manipal Hospital for full cancer department. And we are having every facility right from surgery to the chemotherapy to the radiotherapy. Latest machine has come now for even radiotherapy. And you can come here at one stop for all cancer treatment we can do here, right from chemotherapy to the radiotherapy and surgery. So these are the three important things which are there. Like World Health Day is on 7th. 7 तारखे आम्ही सदां जगाचेर वर्ल्डाचो हेल्थ डे मनयतात. From my words, I want to just say there are three magic bullets to the good health. तुम्ही कॅन्सरा पासून किंवा आनी खंयच्याय हाज्या पासून जर दूर रावतले जाल्यार यू शूड हॅव अ व्हेरी गुड व्हेजिटेबल्स इन युअर डायट. म्हणजे वेजिटेरियन डायट अशें म्हणना तुका पण लॉट्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स इन युअर डायट, लॉट ऑफ फ्रुट्स, वॉटर, गुड एक्सरसाइज, डेली एक्सरसाइज करपाचो, रिमेन स्टीम, डोंट पुट ऑन वेट टू मच. And the last thing is stay away from the vices like tobacco, alcohol. तुमकां खबर आसा की हातून आपल्याक त्रास जावंक शकता. तें विकतें घेवन अपशेणां घेवच्या पेक्षा if you stay away from that, you can lead a very healthy life.
I am Dr. Bhandare, a senior orthopedic consultant for Manipal Hospital, and I extend my greetings to all on the occasion of World Health Day 2018. The theme of WHO is health for all over the world. That is health for all today and always and everywhere. That's the theme this year. And we at Manipal Hospitals extend our support to all the patients in orthopedics, in all facets of orthopedics. We cater to all trauma, sports medicine, spine surgery, pediatric orthopedics, Elizarov surgery, joint replacements, arthroplasty, arthroscopy, in a state-of-art operation theatre with all the modern facilities that are available at world-class level. We have to look after the health of our bones, more so in children and in geriatric population. In Goa, we have very large number of population who are above 80 because our life expectancy in Goa is very high. The problems of old age, osteoporosis, weak bones have to be managed by regular healthy, high protein, high calcium, high caloric diet. And Goa with lot of fish and milk available, I don't think that's a big problem. It is only the question of being aware of it. Similarly, in children, for their healthy growth, we need lot of calcium, vitamin D in terms of milk, fish, milk products and high protein diet. Other problem that we face in Goa is increasing number of road traffic accidents. The statistics say that we lose almost 300 to 320 people an year, and 5 times this number are patients who suffer from disabilities due to the accidents. So I extend a message to everybody to be a safe riders, use seat belts, wear helmets and observe traffic rules. We need to educate our people regarding healthy driving, and we should not take pride in having so many challans and issuing so many challans. I feel that's a negative step towards our society. We are a very progressive society, and I don't think challenge should deter us from following traffic rules, but on our own we should be able to follow traffic rules and decrease the number of accidents that we see in Goa. So wish all of you a very healthy, happy and strong bones and a safe driving and a safe living. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Gunjan Baijal. I am a cancer specialist at the Manipal Hospital, Goa, with the specialization in radiation oncology or using radiation for the treatment of cancer. On the occasion of World Health Day, I would like to wish everybody a very, very happy World Health Day and the best of health all through your life. On this occasion, I would like to tell everybody that yes, cancer is becoming a big problem in the world nowadays. Lot of people are being diagnosed with this disease, and the best way to stay safe and stay away from this disease is to have a healthy lifestyle. Try and do an exercise workout regimen for about 30 to 45 minutes a day. Eat healthy, stay away from tobacco and alcohol. These are the best ways which I can suggest to you. However, in spite of this, there will still be some people who will be diagnosed with this disease, and for them we have got a large battery of tests whereby we can help you detect these diseases at a very, very early stage, whereby the cure rates can be as high as 85 to 90%. So make use of these tests for breast cancer, cervical cancer in women, prostate cancer and lung cancer in men, and get your disease diagnosed early. For the treatment aspects, our hospital can provide you with all the forms of treatment with regards to the best of care with regards to the radiation, where we have got a very advanced machine which we will be starting very soon. The surgical oncology facilities are there, the medical oncology facilities are there. So advanced radiation, good chemotherapy, good immunotherapy, good targeted therapy, most of these things are available under one roof at our hospitals. So make use of these. So my final message to you is stay away from the disease. However, if you are diagnosed with it, don't worry, we have the solutions for them.
On this day of World Health Day 2018 and Universal Health Coverage, I, Dr. Mahesh Naik, Senior Surgeon at Manipal Hospital, Goa, would like to say that India is a third world country. Our health care cannot be good because we spend less than 1.5% of GDP on health. Western countries and other countries like China spend about 5% of GDP on health. So they can provide good health care. Since country cannot provide good health care, many private players are trying to compensate. And in those private players come our hospital, and I work for that hospital called Manipal Hospital. I am a general surgeon. General surgeon means I treat cases from head till toes. Our hospital is very well equipped. It has got CT scanners, MRIs, CAT labs, a very wonderful laboratory. So it is pleasure to work here. So on this World Health Day, my advice to you is that you should be fit, for which you have to do exercise, you should have good diet, and should be away from vices like smoking, alcohol and bad foods. If you follow all these things which I have said, you will have a good life.
Hello viewers, my name is Dr. Amol Mahaldar. I am a consultant in nephrology and kidney transplant. I deal with patients who have kidney ailments and sometimes have kidney failure who require dialysis. On the occasion of the World Health Day this year, where the theme is improved universal health coverage for all, I hope that all patients of kidney problems have good access to health care. I would urge all viewers to have healthy, balanced lifestyle where they decrease the amount of salt consumption in their diet and increase the water consumption. Also, I would urge people to have a good less of non-vegetarian and more of vegetarian intake in their diet. If you are suffering from diabetes, blood pressure, if you are having some family member who is having a kidney disease, you are overweight or otherwise come from an area having high kidney disease problems, it is advisable you consult the doctor and do your kidney function evaluation. This can be done by a simple urine and blood test. Manipal Hospital is equipped to provide all sorts of care in kidney ailments, including preventive nephrology, where we diagnose early and prevent problems, and also addressing those patients who require dialysis. We also hope to start the transplantation services very soon.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amar Prabhudesai. I'm a cardiologist working at Manipal Hospital, Goa. As you all know, the theme for World Health Day is Health for All. Now, this has been the theme in vogue for the last few years, and this year we find that very rightfully there has been a slight shift in the focus with respect to the theme, and that is universal health coverage. I say this because as much as it is important to provide health for all, the main constraint in providing this is monetary. And with universal health coverage, this is what is targeted. Now, we in Goa are very lucky that we have the Deen Dayal scheme, under which universal health coverage has been provided by the government for the last 2 years. A similar shift of focus is happening at the national level, and we are hopeful that it will be implemented in the near future. What do we need to do to have a healthy life? There are two important things that I would like to stress. One is to have a very healthy diet. So you need to avoid all kinds of fried foods, fatty foods, oils, avoid too much of fast foods. And second and most important thing that we need to do is exercise daily. So what we recommend to prevent heart disease is at least half an hour of exercise, whether it is brisk walking, swimming, jogging, whatever form of exercise you enjoy. And in this way, these are the small things that we can do to ensure a healthy life for us. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Vikram Dalvi. I am physician. My special interests are critical care and diabetes. On this occasion of World Health Day, I would like to wish you a very good health. These days, we all know that there is something called as non-communicable diseases. The commonest is diabetes, blood pressure, heart attacks, paralytic attacks. And a lot of people don't know that all these are preventable if you maintain a very good lifestyle. Only thing is they are not aware. Why our ancestors didn't get these and why we are getting this is because of lifestyle and excess weight. So as far as possible, we should maintain our good weight, good diet and regular exercise. And if still you get the diseases, we are here to help you.
Hi, I am Dr. Parul Dubey, Consultant Neurologist at Manipal Hospitals, Goa. Neurology is a branch of medicine concerned with the health of the brain, spinal cord, peripheral nerves, muscles, and it includes many other things. As we all know, brain is the master organ. It is concerned and it controls the entire body. So brain health remains of utmost importance always. On the occasion of World Health Day, I would like to share this small piece with you. We all know that the life today is full of stress, it's quite fast paced, and all of us are just running. So it's difficult to achieve a balance in life. But it's important that we just take a break and balance our lifestyles, which includes taking a good diet, having a good exercise routine, a good and regular exercise routine, and having mental peace. Finally, the idea is that we all regain an inner harmony in our mental and physical beings so that we may achieve cure of lots of diseases. Many of the neurological diseases are concerned incurable, but I am sure that if peace increases, harmony increases in one's existence, then it's quite possible that many of the diseases will become much more easier to manage. If we talk about neurology and our department here at Manipal Hospitals, Goa, we cater to many neurological diseases, almost all. The most important being stroke, seizures, Parkinson's disease, dementias, peripheral nerve disorders, muscle disorders. It's always good to diagnose the ailments earlier, because that always helps a better management overall. So I would like to tell you all again that we should all achieve a good balance in our lifestyles in terms of diet, exercise, good sleep and less stress. I think that will ensure a good health. Thank you so much.
Good day, माझें नाव डॉक्टर माधव संजगिरी. हांव गोंयचे मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलाचो चीफ युरोलॉजिस्ट म्हणून काम करता. आमचे कडेन हांगा फूल फ्लेज्ड हायली एक्विप्ड युरोलॉजी सेंटर आसा जे एडवान्स्ड युरोलॉजिकल केअर दिण्यात येता. म्हयन्याक जवळ 70 ते 80 पेशंटांची हांगा तरेतरेची युरोलॉजी ऑपरेशन्स जातात. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डेच्या निमित्तान हांव तुमकां एक मेसेज दिवपाक सोदतां. गोंयांत किडनी स्टोन्सचें प्रमाण खूब हाय आसा. किडनी स्टोन्स प्रिवेंट करणे हें खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आसा आनी ताजे खातीर भरपूर उदक पिणें इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट हेल्थ टीप आय कॅन गिव यू. दिसाक 10 ते 12 ग्लास तरी पिवपा जाय आनी आतां गरमीचो सिजन सुरू जातलो तेन्ना मातशें आनी ताज्याकय चड पिवपा जालें जाल्यार उचीत जातलें. आनी आमच्या डायटांत शेलफीश, सुंगटां, कालवां, शिणाणी, मागीर काजू बियो, रेड मीट हे आयटम्स डायटांतल्यान सामके कमी केले आनी अवॉयड केले जाल्यार सगळ्यांत बेस्ट काम जातलें. आनी तुमची किडनी स्टोन्स प्रिवेंट करण्या खातीर हें फॉलो करणे खूब आवश्यक आसा. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव डॉक्टर राकेश देशमाने. मी कन्सल्टंट कार्डिओवास्क्युलर थोरॅसिक सर्जन मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल गोवा आहे. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डेच्या दिवशीचं सगळ्यांचे अभिनंदन. आणि मला हाच मेसेज द्यायचा की आजची आपली ग्रोईंग लाईफस्टाईल आणि खाण्यापिण्याच्या सवयी ह्यामुळे जे वाढतं हार्ट डिसीजचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे त्याच्यामुळे आता आमचा हार्ट डिसीजचा स्पेक्ट्रम जो पूर्वी लोकांना म्हणायचं की 60-70च्या पुढे आज आमच्याकडे 30-35च्या वयोगटातील पेशंट्स हे येत आहेत. त्यांना विविध प्रकारचे हार्ट, ज्याच्यात मोस्ट कॉमन जे आहे तो म्हणतो आपण ब्लॉकेज किंवा करोनरी हार्ट डिसीज. तर ह्याच्यापासून वाचवण्यासाठी किंवा आपल्या ह्याच्यापासून रक्षित करण्याचे एकच आहे की तुम्ही तुमचे हॅबिट्स खाण्यापिण्याचे आणि तुमच्या लाईफस्टाईल, मेडिटेशन ह्याच्यात चेंज करा की जेणेकरून तुमच्या ह्याच्यापासून वाचू शकाल. आणि आपल्या लाईफस्टाईल चेंजेसनी डेफिनेटली you can improve your lifestyle and save from these deadly diseases.
Hello, I'm Dr. Amruta Deshmane. I'm the pediatrician and I'm here in the pediatric department of Manipal Hospital. So on the occasion of World Health Day, I would like to just send in a message for the pediatric patients or your children. That would be to take care of their physical as well as the mental health aspect. In physical health aspect, it would be like follow their diet on time, follow a healthy diet, that is avoid junk food, and please follow the diet timings which usually children don't follow nowadays, and plus avoid meal time and screen time. So it should not be like the children should be eating sitting in front of the TV. Try having a family meal time at least once in a complete day, that is either a lunch or a dinner. That is very helpful even to know what children are doing or what is going on in children's life or in their school. So that is more important. And the other aspect, as well as the physical health of the children, that is basically the physical activity. So children should at least have 1 to 2 hours of physical activity daily, as well as around 8 to 10 hours of sleep daily, which is more important to maintain a proper health physically. And second part is about the mental health of the children, which is also very important. You should see to it that you talk to your children daily. You should know what is going on in their schools, what is going on in their friend circle, as well as what is going on in children's mind. And you should be giving time to your children, which is lacking nowadays. We see that parents themselves don't have time, even say an hour to give to their children, which is very important nowadays. So along with the physical health, the mental health of the child is also very important. So just take care of your children. That is the only thing I would like to tell you.
Hi, I am Dr. Sofia Rodrigueze, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist practicing for the past 12 years, presently in Goa in Manipal Hospital for the past 4 years. Obstetrics and gynecology is a broad field, and on the occasion of World Health Day tomorrow, I would like to focus on preventive health more than curative health. In the bygone days, it was curative health where whenever we used to have a problem, we used to go to a doctor, but now with so many illnesses coming up, with the ignorance decreasing and the education level going so high, it would be preventive health to pick up diseases in the early stage and treat them. In the field of obstetrics and gynecology itself, there are various subjects like pregnancy and delivery, adolescent health care, contraceptive counseling and family planning, infertility treatment, diagnosis, and preventing of sexually transmitted diseases. Each of these is a broad field itself, and it has various questions and answers. So I would advise the general public, if there is any doubt on any of these topics, you all are free to any time walk into the gynecologist or the obstetrician to ask for advice, because the treatment becomes better when you come and ask for help than just imagine things at home, because many of the diseases can be prevented very easily when you treat them early.